Hi there! Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to add a free shipping progress bar to your Shopify cart page. It's a simple way to make your store look more professional. And the best part is, you can do it without any app, just a few lines of code. Why add a free shipping progress bar? It's not just for show. Giving customers a clear view of how much more they need to spend to get free shipping can influence their choices. When shoppers see a message like, only $X from free shipping, they're more likely to add one more item to reach the threshold. This kind of visual cue helps customers make quick, informed decisions and gives them a clear goal while shopping. Here's what we're going to do. We'll create a small code snippet in your Shopify theme that checks the cart total and calculates how close the customer is to the free shipping amount. Then we'll display that information as a message and a progress bar right on the cart page. Before making any changes, always duplicate your theme and work on the copied version. This keeps your live store safe in case something goes wrong. Go to your Shopify admin, open your theme code editor, and create a new snippet called freeshippingbar.liquid. Paste in the code we provided in our blog. I'll attach the link in the video description. You can adjust the free shipping amount by changing the number in the code. Next, find your cart template. If your theme has a cart-drawer.liquid file, that's the one you should work with first. In Horizon theme, we'll use cart-drawer.liquid file. If your theme doesn't have a cart drawer, look for cart.liquid or main-cart.liquid instead. Place it where you want the bar to appear, such as above the cart total or below the cart items. Once you save, go to your cart page and test it. Try adding or removing items to see the progress bar update. It'll show how much more is needed to qualify for free shipping, or celebrate when it's reached. Before you go live, make sure your free shipping threshold in Shopify settings matches the one used in your progress bar. To check this, go to Settings, Shipping and Delivery, Manage Rates, and set the amount for your free shipping rule. For example, if your bar is currently set to $500, make sure your shipping settings also use $500 as the threshold. If you decide to change the amount, update both the number in your Shopify settings and in the free shipping bar liquid snippet, right at the top of the code where the threshold is defined. You can also update the message text in the same file if you want to customize the wording. This free shipping bar component works across all Horizon series themes. If it doesn't display properly in your theme, feel free to contact us. We can help you adjust it. And that's it! Now you have a free shipping progress bar on your Shopify cart drawer. All done without using any apps. Make sure to test it before making the theme copy live. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. And if you need any help setting it up, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.